Hi, I'm Allie, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to Nolo, a travel app I designed to help new backpackers embark on their adventures with confidence. Nolo is all about equipping you with the knowledge, resources, and encouragement you need to take that first step into the world of backpacking. In this prototype, I'll walk you through some of the key features that make Nolo the perfect travel backpacking companion for beginners and experts alike. From destination guides and packing checklists to budgeting tips and community support, Nolo is here to guide you every step of the way. So, starting with the onboarding flow, as new users go through the process of creating an account, they are then introduced to the three main goals of Nolo: helping connect fellow travelers, helping users showcase their adventures for like minded travelers, and assisting in the planning and preparation process of the user's next backpacking adventure. After adding a profile photo, new users are then prompted to pick 3 countries on their bucket list, so Nolo can get to know their preferences and tailor users' experiences based on that. Users can sort by region, trending countries, and more, or just search if they have a specific country in mind. Once 3 have been selected, Nolo prompts the user to continue to the next screen, where they will have the same process, but this time with users' interests and hobbies they enjoy while traveling. After this information is stored, users are faced with their new account dashboard holding all of their main features and tasks. As we scroll through the dashboard, you can see an area for new backpackers to input their next adventure, which we'll get to, recommended backpacking routes for users to explore, and popular chat forums that we can join. But let's start with getting verified. As we click on our profile screen, you can see it has a similar setup to other social apps, including a bio, posts of users' travels with the option of viewing users' calendars to set up a call, users' maps showcasing their previous and future travel routes, and, for now, a Get Verified notification. As we read through the introductory steps, we are first prompted to input the typical user information. From there, Nolo asks us to capture a selfie and upload our passport in order to confirm our identity and travel history. Looks like our identity is a match. Once we submit our information to get verified, we can now continue exploring the app. Let's head to the map. Within the map feature, similar to Google Maps, users can explore popular spots based on what they're looking for. Or they can simply search if you have a particular spot in mind, view the spot's overview, and add it to their travel planning wish list. Speaking of planning, let's head over to the Nolo's planning feature. On the planner's dashboard, you can see the user has already input their upcoming backpacking trip, my sabbatical. Underneath, users' trip wish list shows published routes and backpacking trips other users have gone on that sparks our interest. Additionally, the past adventures section showcases previous trips they have logged with Nolo. The unpublished text indicates that they have not shared this adventure yet with the Nolo community, meaning other users can't access this information for advice yet until it's published. When we click into the current backpacking plan, it highlights the user's already mapped out route, and if you click into it, it'll take you back to the map feature of the app. Here is where users can input and organize their backpacking information, such as places they want to stay, activities that interest them, and items they should pack. For example, when we click into packing, you can see the user can further organize their lists, checking off accounted for items. Like everything in Nolo, users also have the option to share lists on their profile, so other travelers can view and get ideas and suggestions. Back on the previous page, you can see Nolo automatically generates recommended resources and blogs for users to read based off of the location and details they input for the specific adventure. If you want to add a new adventure, you can simply click at the top of the screen, input details manually, or use our AI to help build a custom backpacking route for you based on your details. However, since we already have our route accounted for, let's head back to the dashboard to view the automatically generated countdown clock for our upcoming adventure. Getting excited, right? All right, now we need to get some advice and recommendations for our upcoming trip. Let's head over to the community screen to connect with other travelers and see what they're saying. Immediately upon entering the community screen, users can explore mentors and forums in a variety of ways. Let's say, for example, we're a digital nomad that wants to join a group to connect with other nomads in Europe. Head on over to Browse Forums screen, where you can browse by topic, recommended for you, or trending communities. Let's click Digital Nomads here. Since we're in Europe, we can check out this European Expats forum, see if we're interested, and join the forum. However, users might already know they want to search for a specific mentor or forum. Well, if we head on back to the main community screen, users can easily search for one or any group in particular using the search bar. Let's see if Erin can help us. After viewing her profile, it looks like Erin could definitely be a great resource to us as we plan our own digital nomad trip. Let's message her to see if we can pick her brain on how she travels, where she went, and all the advice she can recommend. We can even view her calendar to see if she has any upcoming availability for a call. And then when we navigate back to our home screen, we can even view our chat with Erin right from there by clicking on our messages in the top corner. Here you can see all of your recent messages, manage settings, and create a new message based on need. And that's a wrap. Thank you for checking out all that Nolo has to offer. Remember, with Nolo, you're not so solo. We're here to guide and support you every step of the way as you plan your epic backpacking adventure. The world is waiting, and let Nolo be your guide as you dive into the journey of a lifetime.